Before I start talking about week 4, I want to remind you that at the top of Moodle, above week 1, there is a resource section. There are several resources that I have put there for you. There's information about APA and scholarly sources, about the dyslexia assignment, the standards that you're going to need. There's some information on text features and text structure, as they are two different things. Our discussion rubric. Here is the presentation sign-up sheet for weeks 4 and 6. Here is a video about that strategy presentation and a video about writing measurable learning objectives. So please use these resources that are here. Now, on to week 4. The topic of read-alouds and shared reading were presented in Chapter 4 from week 2 and included strategies for before reading. But many of the strategies used in these activities are done during the reading as well. Read-alouds and shared reading can be used to introduce content topics or to extend them further during or after study. They also can be used to model strategies that good readers use which are invisible by nature, such as a think aloud. A think aloud is a metacognitive process that allows students to hear what goes on inside the head of a fluent reader. Helping an entire group see the unseen processes in action raises the level of comprehension for all. Here is that video that I referred to in the resource section about the strategy presentation. Please make sure that you view that. Learning outcomes this week. By the end of the week, you'll have reading skills necessary for success in reading informational text, appropriate instructional strategies to use with nonfiction and informational text, the value of trade books as a supplement or substitution for content area textbooks, and developing a repertoire of reading comprehension strategies to use with students before reading. Assignments. Obviously, you need to view the instructor video. You're going to read Chapter 8 in the Chapman and King text. Chapter 8 focuses on planning. It was Benjamin Franklin who said, "If you fail to plan, you plan to fail." That is a quote that I had taped several places in my classroom when I was teaching in a classroom. You're also to read the before strategies in the tools and more tools flip charts. Now, those before or pre-reading strategies are the following: anticipation guide, book in a day, book pass, content pass, CPR, bringing vocab to life, expert groups, fast track to first impressions, flip, getting the most, knowledge chart, language collection, learning from text features, learning through inquiry, list group label, point of view guide, pose questions, concept ladder, PQ4R, reaction guide, reasoning guide. You also need to view the PowerPoint, why use read alouds. Here is the rubric that I will be using to, excuse me, score, bear with me, your presentations. Did you name the strategy? Did you clearly give the purpose of the strategy? Did you thoroughly explain and give an example of the strategy? And did you model the strategy for the students? Did you involve the students completely by having them engaged in using the strategy? Did you have permission to video them? And did you upload the video correctly? When you submit your video, please make sure that you have your first and last name. In the body of the forum, write a brief reflection on the lesson, including look-fors that we should see when viewing. Watch the video of a classmate and comment on what you saw happening. All I want you to do, if you comment on someone else, you're not evaluating them, you are just commenting on what you see them doing. When you upload your strategy presentation, you need to do that by Friday at 11:59 p.m. There have been some issues with uploading videos, and I am not getting those on time because people are waiting until Saturday. Not you guys, another class. They're waiting until Saturday to submit those, and the help desk isn't available. So please submit your video and look-fors by Friday at 11:59 p.m. If you have any questions, please reach out for me. Thank you.